we're learning how to construct a tangent to a circle from a point which is outside the circle. Okay, let's recall what is outside the circle. This is on the circle. Sorry, this is inside the circle. This is on the circle, and this point is outside the circle. Say I want to construct a tangent from this point, point P. How do we do that? Well, it's quite simple. First thing is join OP from the center to that point, external point, and then bisect it using perpendicular bisector. So you would get something like this. Okay, we would get something like this, is it not? That would be your midpoint. With that as the center, because it's a perpendicular bisector, that would be your center, say M. With that as the center, draw a circle touching P and O. OM as the radius basically. So if you draw a circle, right, it would look something like this. So this 2 points is the required point, and joining those 2 points from P, we'll call this as say T1 and T2. So PT1 and PT2 will give us the tangent. As simple as that. This is all we need to do. Okay, let's look at the justification later. Let's learn how to draw it first. So let's look at how to draw it on a sheet of paper. So I have a small circle and say that is your external point. The very first thing is join the center and the external point. I'm not done a good job, but anyways, this is a reference or example problem, so it's okay. So we are trying to bisect this line. So how do you do that? Draw 2 arcs from the center and the point. With the same radius, by the way. So that those 2 points, we'll call this as A1, A2. So join A1, A2, right? So those 2 points, A1, A2, join that. That would bisect PO. So we have bisected, and that is your midpoint M. So with MO, that is with that midpoint, and any one of those 2 points as a radius. Now you can measure with any one of those. So this would give us the radius, and drawing a circle would give us the required T1 and T2 points. So that would be your T1 and that would be your T2. Again, those points are the ones to which we are going to draw the tangent from point P. So from P, join T1 and extend the line a bit. So this is the first tangent which is drawn from our external point. And this is the second tangent. So basically the maximum tangent that we can draw from a single external point is 2. And this fact is learned from your circle topic. Right, all the basics of this topic is taught in circles. So steps of construction, quite simple. I have tried to keep it short and as per your syllabus. So whatever you see over here, this is as per your syllabus, and if it's short, it is so. It's not something which I derived it out and I feel that okay, this is enough. It's not that. It is purely taken from the textbook, so this is good enough. So join PO. PO is nothing but your center and the external point. So that would be P and O, and bisect it. Let the point be M. Take M as the center and MO as the radius. Draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at the points Q and R. Join PQ and PR. PQ and PR are the required two tangents. Now, justification. So let me copy this for the justification. Only then it will make sense, is it not? Justification too, it's a good thing for you guys. Here too, it's the same set of writing. Okay, justification is to join, say OR. Join OR. The angle ORP is an angle. ORP is an angle in the semicircle, and therefore angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. OP is a diameter. So any angle subtended by the diameter with the circumference will be 90 degree. This is another fact that is derived from your circle topic. Thus, OR is perpendicular to RP. Is it not? Does that make sense? Again, this is the circle to which we are trying to draw the tangent for. Don't get confused with the other one. Please understand this, that we are to draw tangent for this circle. So the other circle is just there to help us out. Okay. Right? Now, OP and PR are 90 degree. We just proved that. Right? Since dash is the radius of the given circle, OR is the radius of the given circle, dash has to be the tangent, that is PR. Has to be a tangent to the circle. Similarly, PQ PQ is also a tangent to the circle. That's it. Got it? So this is how you can justify this particular construction. So this is what we had to do. This is your steps of construction. Post that, you need to label it. Before that, actually, not post that. And this is your justification. And this is not required for your exam. I mean, don't draw it 2 times. That's what I mean. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.